Hey there, fellow seekers of success. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a game-changing topic that can truly transform your life. We'll be exploring the fascinating concept of resetting your brain for peak performance and unlocking your path to success. So, get ready to dive deep and discover the secrets behind a brain reset. Let's jump right in. Before we begin, let's understand why a brain reset is essential for achieving success. Often we find ourselves overwhelmed, distracted, and lacking focus. Our brains are bombarded with stimuli, and it becomes challenging to concentrate on our goals. That's where a brain reset comes into play. By recalibrating our neural pathways and optimizing our mental state, we can unlock our full potential and pave the way to success. So, let's begin our journey towards a reset mind and a successful life. In this first step, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of habits and how they impact our journey towards success. Our brains are remarkable machines wired to form habits, which influence our actions, thoughts, and ultimately, our level of success. To truly reset your brain and pave the way for success, it's crucial to understand the power of habits. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning and automatically reach for your phone, spending valuable time scrolling through social media. This habit, while seemingly harmless, can set a tone for the rest of your day. It distracts you from your goals and steals away precious moments that could be invested in personal growth or productive activities. To initiate a brain reset, you need to examine your current habits. Take a moment to reflect on your daily routine and identify the habits that are hindering your progress. It could be excessive procrastination, mindless snacking, or even negative self-talk. These habits create roadblocks on your path to success. Once you've identified these unproductive habits, it's time to replace them with positive ones that align with your goals. For example, if you find yourself getting easily distracted by social media, you can establish a new habit of dedicating specific time slots for focused work, free from any digital distractions. By consistently practicing this new habit, you'll rewire your brain's neural pathways to prioritize deep work and productivity. Consistency is the key to successfully rewiring your brain. It takes time and effort to break old habits and establish new ones. It's important to remember that you won't see immediate results overnight. Be patient and stay committed to the process. Celebrate small victories along the way to keep yourself motivated and reinforce the positive changes you're making. So, take a moment to reflect on your current habits and identify the ones that are holding you back. Start small, choose one habit at a time, and replace it with a positive alternative. It could be as simple as setting a morning routine that includes reading or engaging in a brief mindfulness practice. Remember, it's the cumulative effect of these small changes that will lead to significant transformation. Now, in step 2, we're going to explore how embracing mindfulness can further enhance your brain's ability to reset and achieve a state of focused awareness. When it comes to replacing old, unproductive habits with positive ones, mindfulness plays a crucial role. By practicing mindfulness, you train your brain to stay present and fully engage in the tasks at hand, making it easier to adopt and maintain new habits aligned with your goals. Mindfulness acts as a bridge between understanding your current habits and transforming them into positive ones. By cultivating a greater sense of awareness, you become more attuned to the habits that may be hindering your progress. This heightened self-awareness allows you to consciously choose new habits that support your journey toward success. To incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine, start by setting aside a few minutes each day for dedicated practice. Just as you would set aside time for physical exercise, consider this as mental exercise for your brain. It's a way to strengthen your focus and enhance your overall well-being. There are various mindfulness exercises you can try, and they don't have to be complicated. One effective technique is deep breathing. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand. Then, exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Repeat this deep breathing pattern for a few minutes, bringing your attention to the sensations of your breath. Another powerful mindfulness practice is meditation. By sitting in stillness and observing your thoughts without judgment, you can train your mind to become more focused and present. Start with just a few minutes of meditation each day, and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. As you incorporate mindfulness into your life, you'll notice a transformation taking place. Your ability to concentrate and stay focused on your goals will improve significantly. You'll become more attuned to your own needs and priorities, making it easier to establish and maintain positive habits that support your success. So, let's take a moment right now to practice a brief mindfulness exercise together. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly, letting go of any tension or distractions. Bring your attention to the present moment, fully immersing yourself in the sensations of your breath. Allow yourself to be fully present for the next few breaths. Now let's discuss the importance of optimizing your environment to further support your brain's reset process. Our environment plays a significant role in shaping our thoughts, actions, and overall behavior. By creating an environment that is conducive to success, we can set ourselves up for maximum productivity and focus. The first thing to do is to declutter your physical space. A cluttered environment can create mental clutter, making it challenging to stay focused and organized. Take some time to assess your surroundings and identify areas that need decluttering. Clear out any unnecessary items, organize your belongings, and create a clean and tidy space that promotes a sense of calm and clarity. Next, let's talk about your workspace. Whether you work from home or have a dedicated office, organizing your workspace is crucial for optimizing your environment. Arrange your desk in a way that promotes efficiency and productivity. Keep essential items within reach and minimize distractions. Consider using tools such as desk organizers, file folders, and digital productivity apps to streamline your workflow. In addition to physical decluttering, it's important to remove any triggers that lead to unproductive behavior. Identify habits or objects that distract you or derail your progress. It could be social media notifications, a cluttered desktop, or even certain foods that drain your energy. Take proactive steps to eliminate or minimize these triggers, creating a focused and distraction-free environment. Surrounding yourself with positive influences is another way to optimize your environment. Fill your space with inspiring quotes, motivational posters, or images that resonate with your goals and aspirations. These visual cues serve as reminders of your vision, keeping you motivated and focused on what truly matters. By optimizing your physical and digital environment, you create a space that supports your goals and nurtures your focus. It's about intentionally designing your surroundings to minimize distractions and maximize your potential for success. Remember to take some time today to evaluate your environment, clear the clutter, organize your workspace, remove triggers, and surround yourself with positive influences. Remember, your environment has a profound impact on your brain's ability to reset and achieve success. Now, in step 4, we're going to delve into the incredible benefits of physical exercise for your brain. Physical exercise is not only essential for maintaining a healthy body, but also plays a vital role in optimizing your brain's performance. When you engage in regular exercise, you increase blood flow to the brain, which nourishes it with oxygen and essential nutrients. This promotes the growth of new neurons, enhances cognitive function, and even improves memory and focus. One of the key benefits of exercise is its ability to stimulate the release of feel-good chemicals in the brain, such as endorphins. These natural mood boosters can help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, providing you with a more positive and focused mindset. By incorporating exercise into your routine, you're giving your brain the opportunity to reset and function optimally. You might be wondering, what types of exercises should you engage in to reset your brain? The good news is that there's a wide range of activities to choose from. The key is to find something that you enjoy and that gets your heart pumping. Aerobic exercises such as jogging, cycling, dancing, or swimming are excellent choices for resetting your brain. These activities elevate your heart rate, increase blood flow, and stimulate the release of endorphins. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate to vigorous exercise per day, but feel free to adjust it based on your fitness level and preferences. In addition to traditional exercises, incorporating activities that require coordination and balance, such as yoga, Pilates, or martial arts, can further enhance your brain's reset process. These exercises challenge your brain to focus, improve concentration, and strengthen neural connections. If you have a sedentary job or find it challenging to fit exercise into your daily routine, consider incorporating movement breaks throughout the day. Take short walks, stretch, or do quick bodyweight exercises to get your blood flowing and refresh your brain. Even small bursts of physical activity can have a significant impact on your cognitive function and productivity. Incorporating exercise into your routine not only resets your brain, but also provides numerous physical and mental health benefits. You'll experience increased energy levels, improved mood, enhanced creativity, and sharper cognitive abilities. So, challenge yourself to make exercise a priority in your daily life. Find activities that you enjoy, Set aside dedicated time for physical activity and reap the rewards of a healthy brain that supports your journey to success. In today's modern world, we're constantly bombarded with screens and technology. While they provide us with incredible opportunities and convenience, they can also become major distractions that prevent us from achieving our goals. That's why it's essential to take regular breaks and practice what is known as a digital detox. A digital detox involves setting aside specific time slots during your day or week where you intentionally disconnect from smartphones, social media platforms, and other digital devices. By doing so, you create space for your brain to reset and recharge, allowing you to regain control over your attention and focus. During your digital detox, it's important to engage in offline activities that nourish your mind and soul. This can include reading a book, pursuing hobbies, spending quality time with loved ones, going for a walk in nature, or simply engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. By consciously stepping away from the digital world, you give yourself an opportunity to reconnect with yourself and the present moment. You become more aware of your surroundings, your thoughts, and your emotions. This increased mindfulness and presence can significantly enhance your focus and productivity when you return to your tasks. Now, you might be wondering, how do you incorporate a digital detox into your daily or weekly routine? It's all about creating boundaries and being intentional with your time. Start by designating specific time slots for your digital detox. It could be a few hours in the evening, a full day on the weekend, or any other arrangement that works best for you. Communicate this plan with those around you, so they understand and respect your boundaries. Remember, the goal of a digital detox is not to completely avoid technology forever, but rather to find a healthy balance and regain control over your attention. By consciously disconnecting, you give your brain a chance to reset and realign with your goals and priorities. As you incorporate digital detox into your routine, observe how it positively impacts your focus, creativity, and overall well-being. Pay attention to how your relationships, productivity, and mental clarity improve when you have dedicated time away from the digital world. It's no secret that the food we consume has a direct impact on our overall health and well-being. But did you know that it also influences our brain health and performance? By adopting a balanced and nutritious diet, we can provide our brains with the fuel it needs to function optimally. To reset your brain for success, it's important to include brain-boosting foods in your diet. These foods are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and essential vitamins that support cognitive function and enhance mental clarity. Some examples of brain-boosting foods include fatty fish like salmon, which is high in omega-3 fatty acids. Blueberries, which are packed with antioxidants that protect the brain from oxidative stress. Dark leafy greens such as spinach and kale, which are rich in vitamins and minerals. And nuts and seeds, which provide healthy fats and nutrients that support brain health. On the other hand, it's important to limit the consumption of processed foods and sugary snacks. These foods can lead to inflammation, spikes in blood sugar, and impaired cognitive function. By reducing your intake of these foods, you'll provide your brain with a stable source of energy and support its optimal functioning. When it comes to nourishing your brain, aim for a balanced and varied diet. Include plenty of fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods provide a wide range of nutrients that support brain health and enhance focus. Additionally, staying hydrated is also crucial for brain function. Make sure to drink enough water throughout the day to keep your brain properly hydrated. Dehydration can lead to cognitive decline and decreased mental performance. As you incorporate brain-boosting foods into your diet, pay attention to how your mental clarity, focus, and overall well-being improve. You'll likely notice an increase in energy levels and improved cognitive function. Remember, resetting your brain for success is not just about the external factors like habits and environment. It's also about taking care of the internal factors such as nutrition. By nourishing your brain with the right foods, you set yourself up for optimal performance and success. In the last step, we're going to explore the significance of continual learning and growth in maintaining a reset brain and ensuring long-term success. Resetting your brain for success isn't a one-time event. It's an ongoing process. To keep your brain in reset mode and continually improve, it's important to embrace the mindset of continual learning and growth. Engaging in activities that challenge your intellect and expand your knowledge is a powerful way to keep your brain sharp and adaptable. This could involve reading books on various subjects, taking online courses or workshops, attending seminars or conferences, or even acquiring new skills. By actively seeking out new knowledge and experiences, You stimulate your brain and create new neural connections. This process, known as neuroplasticity, allows your brain to adapt and grow throughout your life. It's also essential to step out of your comfort zone and embrace new experiences. Trying new things not only keeps life exciting, but also helps break through mental barriers and expand your horizons. Whether it's traveling to new places, participating in challenging activities, or taking on unfamiliar projects, stepping outside your comfort zone cultivates resilience and opens up new opportunities for growth. Continual learning and growth not only keep your brain in reset mode, but also enhance your overall personal and professional development. As you acquire new knowledge and skills, you become a more valuable and adaptable individual, capable of seizing opportunities and overcoming obstacles. Remember, resetting your brain for success is not a one-time task, but an ongoing commitment to personal growth and development. Embrace the mindset of continual learning and growth, and watch how it transforms your life. As we conclude our journey of resetting your brain for success, we hope you've gained valuable insights and practical strategies to implement in your life. By focusing on habits, embracing mindfulness, optimizing your environment, exercising, practicing digital detox, nourishing your brain with proper nutrition, and embracing continual learning and growth, you have the tools to reset your brain for success and unlock your full potential. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. We hope you found this video insightful and practical. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Now, it's time to take action and reset your brain for success. Get ready to achieve greatness. Until next time, stay focused, stay determined, and stay successful. Take care.